I had an experience back when I studied in Sydney. I work at Ippudo ramen restaurant, which is like one of the biggest ramen chain store in the world. And I'm amazed with how they work, how they handle the customers, how they treat customers literally like kings. And I see in Surabaya not many Japanese foods with great standards in Surabaya, and that's why I opened this cafe with Japanese theme. And because one of the reasons is, of course, because I love Japanese foods. When I study in Sydney, I know very little about coffee, and I study a little, but when I go back to Indonesia for good, I met some people who teach me, who mentor me about coffee, and start from there, I fall in love with coffee, how unique it is, like how a different of grams and how a different is only like 2 degrees of temperature can really affect the taste of the coffee, and how coffee makes you feel energetic and make you feel calm at the same time. That's like my vision, like my mission. I want that every customers that drink my coffee, they can feel the same way, they can get happiness. That's why one of my quote in my cafe here is like, every day is not a good day, but there must be something good in every day. When I decide first to open a cafe, and from the start, I know that I need a program. I need a POS system because I have big dreams like this cafe. I wanted to make it into a franchise, not only like just one cafe. That's why I need a reliable POS system. I need a good system with a good service, the after-sales service. And then from that moment, I'm starting to do some research like what kind of software that is used in Surabaya, like mostly. At last, I found that many people use interactive software. From the first demonstration that they show me in their office, I know that this is the software that I want because they are like so user-friendly and they have the same standard as the software that I use in Sydney. Their POS system is so good, it's so complete, and anyone just can use it. When I make this cafe, I know that I won't be in here like forever, and I know that my employees have to be able to use it. And when I see their demonstration for the first time, I know that everyone can use it because it's so easy to use. If I think from the first time when I do some research about POS system, there are lots of programs which is like more expensive, some are cheaper. But the thing why I love interactive is because the after sales. They have a very, very good after sales. They really listen to their customers and help the customers, even though you have like complete the payment. And also their system is very stable. From the first time until now, I have found like no error at all. That's one of the reasons why I love interactive. It's not about the price, it's about the work and the function of it. As there are lots of new business that come into the food and beverage industry, I recommend all of you to use a good POS system with a high quality. That's why my name is Davin Setiawan, as the owner of Fukudon Coffee and Eatery Surabaya, recommended all of you to use interactive. The sunshine